Good morning, students of class 9th. Today we will learn chapter 1, The Fun They Had from Beehive. This is your prose book. This story tells us about details of scene of education after 100 years. The writer Isaac Asimov believes that every activity of education will depend upon electronic media after 150 years from now. The writer develops this story with the help of two characters named Tommy and Margie. They are shown as the students after 150 years from now. They have never seen books since every activity of education has become dependent upon electronic media. They have telebooks in which the words move across the screen. Their teachers are not human beings, their teachers are mechanical robots, and the school is an adjacent room in the house. Adjacent means next, but not necessarily touching. In this room, the student sits with the mechanical teacher reading instructions on the screen and giving answers. It is a boring process for the student as there is no interaction between the student and the teacher. One day, Margie made an entry in her diary. Margie was 11 years old girl. She made an entry in her diary and the entry was, Tommy found a real book. Tommy was 2 years older to Margie. He had found the book in the attic of his room. Attic होता है a room within the roof of the house. Till then, they had never seen a real book. They had only heard from grandfather that there used to be books written on paper. They were excited to find this book because it was a new discovery for them. The book that Tommy found belonged to his grandfather's grandfather. It had crinkly and yellow pages, whereas Tommy's books were telebooks, and these books were taught by mechanical teachers and computers. Still, words in the book were nothing less than a wonder for both Tommy and Margie. These words did not move like the words moved on the screen. When they turned back to the pages read before, there were the same words on it when they read it for the first time. All these things were very strange for Margie. Tommy thought that the old books were a waste because the words stood still and they did not run. Margie hated school, which was a room in her house, because her teacher was mechanical one. It kept her giving test papers where answers had to be written as punch codes. In present day schools, students study together in a separate building and teachers are human beings, whereas in the lesson the school was at home and the teacher was a mechanical one. Tommy tells Margie that earlier the teachers were not mechanical teachers, they taught the children in special building where all the children went to learn. Teachers asked questions and gave their students homework. They used to teach face to face. Margie's and Tommy's school was totally different from the schools that existed 150 years ago. There were no teachers to teach the students. The computers gave them homework. The results were given instantly. There was no one to do corrections or solve their problems. There were no classmates, even their school had no separate building. Margie was not performing well in her geography tests. The county inspector took the teacher. The teacher here means computer. The county inspector took the teacher apart and put it together, means उसको जोड़ना, put it together. Again, as its geography sector was geared a little too quick, he slowed it up to an average 10 years level. He found the overall pattern of Margie quite satisfactory. Thank you my dear children. मैं नटशल में हिंदी में बताना चाहूँगी कि ये जो लेसन है 2 कैरेक्टर्स के साथ डेवलप किया गया है, मार्जी एंड टॉमी, और ये जो स्टूडेंट्स शो किए गए हैं ये आज से 150 साल आगे के एजुकेशन के सीन को ध्यान में रख के किया गया है, लिए गए हैं। ये बच्चे आज के स्कूल, जैसे स्कूल में आप सब बच्चे एक साथ आते हैं और पढ़ते हैं, ऐसे स्कूल में नहीं है। इनका स्कूल अपने ही घर में एक रूम है जहाँ पर उनके पास कंप्यूटर है और वो कंप्यूटर ही उनका टीचर है। यही टीचर उनको टेस्ट देता है, उनकी उसी वक्त उसका रिज़ल्ट दे देता है। लेकिन जो मार्जी है, ये जो स्कूल है उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता, क्योंकि ना तो उसके पास क्लासमेट्स हैं खेलने के लिए, बात करने के लिए, अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स शेयर करने के लिए, ना ही वहाँ कोई बिल्डिंग है सेपरेट स्कूल की, ना टीचर के साथ उसकी कोई इंटरेक्शन हो सकती है, इसलिए ये स्कूल उसको बोरिंग लगता है। तो टॉमी ने, जो उससे 2 साल बड़ा है, एक दिन उसने अपनी डायरी में एंट्री लिखी कि टॉमी को एक बुक मिली अपने ही एटिक में, और उसने अपनी डायरी में एक एंट्री लिखी, एंट्री करी, टुडे टॉमी फाउंड अ रियल बुक। तो रियल बुक का मतलब यहाँ पर है जो बुक जो आजकल आप बच्चे पढ़ते हैं जिसमें वर्ड्स लिखे होते हैं, जो वर्ड्स बुक्स पे होते हैं, लेकिन ये वर्ड स्टिल होते हैं। स्टिल का मतलब ये मूव नहीं करते, लेकिन स्क्रीन के ऊपर जो कंप्यूटर पे वर्ड्स आते हैं वो मूव करते हैं स्क्रीन के ऊपर, फिर चले जाते हैं, फिर आ जाते हैं, इस तरह से। तो ये स्कूल टॉमी और मार्जी का जो स्कूल है वो आज के स्कूलों से बहुत ही डिफरेंट है। तो काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर वो इंस्पेक्टर होता है जिसने वो कंप्यूटर को ठीक किया, वो ज्योग्राफी सेक्टर ठीक नहीं काम कर रहा था, इसलिए उसने उसको खोला और उसको ठीक किया और उसको एडजस्ट किया 10 इयर्स के एवरेज लेवल के ऊपर। तो इस तरह से ये ओवरऑल जो परफॉर्मेंस थी मार्जी की, इसमें वो काफ़ी सेटिस्फैक्ट्री थी, काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर ने देखा। इस तरह से हमें ये लेसन ये बताता है कि जो आज से 150 साल आगे जो स्कूल होंगे उसमें हर एजुकेशन की हर एक्टिविटी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होगी, और बच्चे स्कूल में नहीं आएंगे, सेपरेट बिल्डिंग में नहीं पढ़ेंगे, अपने ही घर में बैठ के एक रूम में कंप्यूटर द्वारा वो पढ़ाई करेंगे। तो ये इस लेसन का सार है। अब मैं आपको इसके ऊपर होमवर्क देना चाहूँगी। द होमवर्क इज़, हाउ इज़ Margie school different from the schools that existed hundreds of years ago? Number 2, how are telebooks different from the books with words written on paper in them? Thank you very much. Please submit your answers in the WhatsApp group of your class. Thank you.